Hi everyone, today we'll learn how to enable Okta Single Sign-on and MFA for Oracle PeopleSoft using Datawiza Access Proxy. Let's get started. Firstly, we start the configuration process by visiting console.datawiza.com. Click Getting Started. Create a new deployment called PeopleSoft Demo. Then create a new application called PeopleSoft App. Choose the web type, web. The public domain is the URL you will use to visit the application through the browser. Sync the listen port and the upstream is the address your PeopleSoft is hosting. This step is to configure a new Okta IDP. I will name it as PeopleSoft Okta. Choose the protocol as OIDC and choose the identity provider as Okta. Copy the Okta org, client ID, and client secret from the Okta console. Then click the Create button. Copy the provisioning keys or the YAML file, you will need them later. In order to support SSL, you will need to enable the settings. For demo purposes, I will use the Datawiza pre-generated self-signed certificate. If needed, you can upload your own certificate. PeopleSoft is expecting the username from the header, so you need to configure it here. Now let's switch back to our terminal and paste the content you copied from the previous step. Use the docker compose up-d command to spin up the Datawiza Access Proxy. Now we are going to configure PeopleSoft part. In order to make it accept header authentication, we go to User Profiles to create a public access account. I will name it as PS Pub User. Please keep in mind to choose the ID type as none. Here, choose the symbolic ID as the system admin, and input an appropriate password. After creating this required user, head to the currently active web profile, and add this user to public access. Let's configure PeopleCode using the PeopleTools desktop client. Open funclib_ldap and right-click ldap auth. Click View PeopleCode. Search for the get www auth config function. Change the value of default user ID to PS pub user. Make sure, here, that the value of get header is PS_SSO_UID. Finally, let's test our SSO settings for PeopleSoft. We should be able to open up a new browser and navigate to the public domain address. It will automatically redirect to the target IDP login page. Here, Okta prompts the user to enter their ID credentials, and after successful authentication, the user will be logged into the application. Now the user can start using the PeopleSoft as usual. We can see all pages functions working well. Datawiza enables single sign-on and MFA for any application with the identity provider of your choice. Thanks for watching.